morning children, welcome to our online classes. We are discussing about our first lesson, that is food and nutrition. In that we have completed what is meant by food, where does we get food, and what are life processes, and different types of food components, and also different types of food preparation methods. Okay, now today we will discuss about some food preservation methods. Why we have to preserve the food? Yes, to protect our food is necessary from some microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms will spoil our food. So it is necessary to preserve our food, to store it for a long period. Okay, here we have some food preservation techniques. Those are drying, freezing, smoking, canning, salting, adding sugar, oil and vinegar, and pasteurization. These are some preservation methods, and these preservation methods we will discuss in detail with suitable examples. Drying. Here the food is dried under sunlight. For example, food grains. All food grains will dried under sunlight. Next, cereals. Okay, and then vegetables also. We'll make some vegetable flakes, and which is dried under sunlight. Okay. Next, freezing. Here the food is kept in the refrigerators, and so that in the refrigerator very low temperatures are maintained. At very low temperatures, the microorganisms growth is very less, so that we can save our food. Okay, fruits and vegetables are preserved in this method. And smoking. Here food is dried under smoke which comes from burning wood. Here it is also a drying method, but here we use smoke which comes from burning wood. For example, fish, meat, and grilled chicken. Canning. Here food is kept in the airtight containers so that microorganisms cannot go into the container and our food is saved. Here examples are sweets and ghee. Next, salting. Salting is ancient method of preservation, and here we add high amount of salt to the food so that we can preserve our food. Okay, salt kills microorganisms so that our food is safe and stored for a longer period. Okay, examples, pickles. Then adding sugar. By adding sugar also we can preserve the food. In this method we preserve foods like jams and jellies. And oil and vinegar. In this method we can preserve vegetables by soaking them in oil and vinegar mixture. Okay, by this method we can pickle all the vegetables. And pasteurization. It is a very important preservation method which we can see in the milk preservation. Okay, milk is preserved by this method. In this method we heat the milk up to 70 degrees for 15 to 30 seconds and suddenly chilled to 10 degrees centigrade, and then allowed to packing so that milk is preserved for a longer time. Okay, this is about some preservation techniques which we have. Okay, in the next video we will study about other things. Okay, thank you.